In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hover to play video carousel in Wix Studio. We're going to build a clean, interactive video gallery where your videos begin playing when someone hovers over them. This is a great way to make a portfolio, product showcase, or featured content section feel more dynamic without overwhelming the page. To get started, open your Wix Studio project and head to the Add Elements panel. From there, go into Media and choose a Pro Gallery. If you want the smoothest carousel-style presentation, the slider layout is usually the best option because it keeps everything organized and easy to browse. Once the gallery is added to the page, place it in the section where you want your videos to appear. Take a moment to stretch or resize the gallery so it fits the space properly. This part matters because the size of the gallery affects how polished the final result looks. Try to make sure it feels balanced within the section and gives your videos enough room to stand out. Next, click on the gallery and open Manage Media. By default, the gallery may contain placeholder images, so go ahead and delete those. After that, upload or select the videos you want to feature in the carousel. As you add your media, it's a good idea to make sure your videos are relevant, visually consistent, and trimmed well so they look professional when visitors interact with them. Now let's set up the hover to play effect. Select the gallery again and open Settings. Inside the Settings panel, go to the Advanced tab. Look for the Play Videos option and change it to on hover. This is the key setting that creates the interactive effect. Once enabled, each video will begin playing when a visitor moves their cursor over it, making the gallery feel responsive and engaging. If you want an even cleaner design, you can also uncheck Show Play button. This is optional, but removing the play button can give the carousel a more modern and minimal appearance, especially if you want the hover interaction to feel seamless. After that, preview your page and test the gallery yourself. Hover over each video to make sure everything plays as expected and that the sizing still looks right across the section. If needed, you can always go back and fine-tune the gallery dimensions for a better visual result. And that's it. Thanks for watching.